connais wap crier, baby, mais faut Haïti moins poilé, Miami wap krité. Pas ouais qui j'en comment, l'amour ça poil dire. Vous voulez pour me continuer, écris chaque.
Hello, sir.
Seatbelt, please. Just you?
Just me.
Test this thing out. I've been hanging on to that phone tight.
A YouTuber doesn't play by his views.
Alright, so hauls ass. Stops pretty good.
The suspension is so weary.
Not terrible.
It sounds terrible more than the others I rode. This was my second that I before this one, and the Tundra was my first. You see, all in order. You see, Tundra first, Prime, and this one. It's all in perfect order, like I rode in, like this.
Got your all electronic power steering right here. Just showing doesn't really rip the wheel on that. Super slick. Does have the Toyota safety system, so accident collision avoidance. Not necessarily designed for low speed, but showing you how it works. Got radar, says you're gonna hit something, hits the brakes all on its own. Showing off that 360 view camera, which you're gonna find in a lot of cars these days, but just showing you what it is.
The first time I saw the camera like that was in my cousin's 2016 Rogue.
Yeah.
Until she gave it away in 2019.
But there you go. That's all it is. About 8 different cameras merged together on one screen, just showing you everything around it. But that's probably the clearest ones you'll see. It's
all right. Traction. What about traction?
All-wheel drive system designed by Subaru, handles pretty dang good. Nobody does an all-wheel drive system better than Subaru, so there you go.
This is competitor to Subaru. What Subaru model is competitor?
I don't remember what they're calling it, but they have the same exact car. They built it together. So
yeah, I think I was gonna say BRZ, but I don't think it is.
No, it's not. It's a bZ something over there, but not a BRZ. And then Lexus has one as well. They have a Solterra that'll be coming out next week. All 3 of them built the car together. So full 360 view makes it pretty easy to park this thing. Sees the cones, hits the brakes, works pretty good.
All right, let's see how you swerve.
Low center of gravity, it doesn't swerve. That's the thing. It's the heaviest vehicle out here, about 100 pounds less than the truck.
Oh, okay.
And handles better than any other one it is. So not bad. Right,
this is an excellent, well, almost to the Model Y competitor.
There you go,
because
buddy.
Toyota's my favorite mission, but this is my dream. All done.
Ah oui, les long, long, baby, les long. T'es du long distance, l'en pas cap marcher. Ah oui, les long, long, baby, les long. Koto tande l'amour, jambe de l'eau, baby, pas noyer. T'es du long distance, l'en pas cap marcher. Ah oui, les long, long.